Hey everyone, we are thrilled to announce that GoNx V2 is just around the corner, and we can't wait to show you the significant advancements that we have made. If GoNx is new to you, picture a powerful task runner for your Go Monorepos powered by an X. It's truly going to change how you think about your Go projects. We won't cover everything GoNx can do in this video, but a complete walkthrough tutorial is in the making. Keep an eye out for it, and consider subscribing. To truly demonstrate the power of V2, we have crafted a unique monorepo featuring 7 of the most popular Shant bracelet projects. To make the most of this monorepo structure, we have made two crucial changes. One, we strip out the individual .git history from each project, replacing them with a unified root git history for the entire monorepo. Two, we swap out remote dependencies with local ones, utilizing the replace directive in go.mode for seamless local development. To illustrate the differences, we have created two identical copies of this monorepo, allowing us to run GoNx v1 and v2 side by side. First things first, we will initialize an X and add the GoNx plugin to both workspaces. Right off the bat, you will notice a key difference. GoNx v2 no longer generates a go.work file by default. While go.work might seem like a perfect fit for more repos, it comes with a few hidden complexities. Plus, it's not a widely adopted convention in the Go community. Our vision for GoNx, ever since we forked GoNx has been to provide the most simplest and intuitive experience for Go developers embracing monorepos. So, how does this change impact your projects? Let's dive in. Let's start by running the tidy executor, which will perform a Go mode tidy on all projects. Nice, both versions handle the Go mode tidy successfully. However, there is a subtle caveat here that we will explore later, a hint of the fundamental difference under the hood. Now, for the real test, let's try building all projects in both workspaces. And just like that, GoNx V1 completely fails, while V2 builds everything perfectly. Why the drastic difference? There are a couple of key reasons. One, the Go work configuration. In V1, if you're using the Go.work, it wasn't automatically configured to include all the Chant bracelet projects. Let's fix that by manually adding them to the go.work file using go work use. Let's run the build command again. Better, one project builds, but the others still fail. This brings us to the most critical issue. Number 2, the main.go dilemma. GoNx P1, much like its predecessor NXGo, was designed to run the build command on the main.go file itself, running the directory containing it. In NXGo, you couldn't even build a project without specifying main.go. GoNx1 made the main.go file optional, automatically searching for the first one if not provided. Here is the crucial point. When you build a binary based solely on the main.go file, the Go toolchain doesn't automatically include other Go files within the same main package, leading to missing dependency errors. However, when you build from the directory, the Go toolchain includes all the files in that directory, including any dependencies. Let me show you with the VHS project as an example. If we run go build main.go here, you will see errors about missing dependencies, but if we simply run go build dot instead, the build succeeds. This is precisely the problem Gonx want to face during the build process. Instead of limiting your build to a single binary per project, we now allow you to build all binaries within a project by default. Crucially, we no longer target the main.go file for the build command. Instead, we use the directory containing the main.go file. This ensures all the necessary files and dependencies are included. If you do specify a main.go file, we will exclusively build that machine binary, but always within the context of its containing directory. This enhancement also applies to the serve executor, which internally uses Go run by default. Remember that small caveat that we mentioned? Let's explore it now. Both projects currently use the replace directive in their go.mod files for local dependencies, a common Go convention. However, a key benefit of the go.work file is that it shouldn't require the replace directive for local dependencies. Let's remove the replace directive from all of our go.mod files. Now let's run nx run many -t tidy again. We have an error. And this is because Go.Work workspaces do not affect module operations, and Go Mode Tidy is a module operation. You can read more about this in this Go issue. The summary is that Go.Work is still a relatively new Go feature and was never intended to be a complete replacement for the replace directive. There is one more significant difference I want to highlight between the two versions. Let's delete the Go.Work file and run the tidy command again to bring our V1 project to the same state as the V2 project. Now, if you try to build the soft serve project again, it fails. But if we navigate to that project folder and run nx build main.go, it works. Why the inconsistency? It all comes down to the current working directory. Both GoNx v1 and nxgo use the CWD from the context of the NX CLI itself. This often forces you to navigate to the exact folder where your main.go file resided to successfully run a project. And even then, it wasn't always enough. This created a fragile system, especially when a go.work file wasn't present. Guns B2 fundamentally changes this. It will always use the project root as the current working directory, ensuring that the CWD is consistently in the same folder as the go.mod file for that specific project. This provides unparalleled stability and predictability. We have covered the biggest breaking changes and improvements, particularly around the build and serve executors. There are also several other enhancements and configuration improvements which you can explore in detail in our data documentation once V2 is out. We truly hope you appreciate the thought and effort that went into Guns V2 and that this explanation helped you understand the significant leap forward it represents. If you found this helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing to the channel. We had so much more coming and not just about Go and NX. See ya!